Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Can-Am RYKER Rally 900 Ace with 1,400 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a shad detachable saddlebag and a passenger seat. The RYKER is a unique three-wheeled vehicle that stands out even among other trikes with its agility, design, and performance. Powered by an 899cc 3-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 58 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. It weighs in at 616 pounds and has a 23.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.